Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by setting the foundation. Work on hair that's 1-2 days unwashed so natural oils help hold shape. Once done, create organic sections, not perfect grids. Thumb thickness makes tighter ropes, 1/2 inch or larger gives looser freeform dreads. You'll use a 0.5 1 mm crochet hook only occasionally, clips to isolate areas, and a light residue-free oil to tame flyaways. Start twisting gently at the roots to encourage direction, because early movement determines eventual locking pattern. Once sections are forming, you focus on sculpting without forcing, palm roll daily to compact hair and twist selectively to set a pattern. This encourages the core to mat. Make crochet work minimal. Catch loose fibers and pull them into the shaft, but don't tighten every strand. Some loose texture creates authentic freeform character. Rotate styling patterns 2 to 3 times per week so dreads meet and merge naturally. Because varied tension and direction create the organic, lived-in look you want. You finish by letting the locks mature while doing light maintenance. Palm roll to tighten and perform small knotting sessions for stubborn pieces, because patience locks texture without damaging hair. Make trims only when tails are fully matted, and tidy roots with a crochet hook instead of reworking entire dreads. If a dread thins or splits, bring the two halves together, palm roll firmly to encourage union, and check for product buildup or overly tight styles. Reduce tension immediately to prevent breakage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.